What is happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on this car, and I want you guys to maybe guess what I'm doing. Anyways, just got the car back on blocks. Okay, so if any of you guys watched my BBK header install, I made this. If you want to get a close look on, I know this is so dirty. So that is gonna be my engine support, and it actually works pretty good. Yeah, I just made that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from here to this to hold that engine up, and that will be the first step to get. I gotta take the turbo mock-up piping out of the car, and yeah, can you guess what I'm doing yet? I'll get right back to you, and we'll go a little farther in depth with this. Tear apart the car. God, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. But one thing I did do, I got the car off the ground before I took my wheels off. So now when I try to, I'm gonna have to jerry rig something. I think what I'm gonna do is put a board and hold the pedal, I'm hoping. So I'm taking this off. Got any guesses what I'm doing yet? Okay, so I have two quick tips for you. I jacked the car up and I forgot to break my lug nuts before the car was in the ground. It doesn't have a battery, so I can't start it. I can't just put a board on the brake pedal because it's power assist brakes. So I put a board on my jack and I jacked up the tire a little, and it held the tire still so I could break the lug nuts free. Tip number two is get bins. As you can see, I stay pretty organized. And this whole bin will be this project that you guys are supposed to be figuring out, because I'm not going to tell you this episode. I want you to guess. Alright, so have you figured out what I'm doing yet? Let me go ahead and show you the amount of work I've got done. Today is Sunday, and I'm going to just quit for now, and I'm going to pick up tomorrow after work. So far I've got my spindle off and painted it black. I've got sway bar done. I got spindle off that. Brakes are hanging up by the zip tie. Spring is over there at the toolbox, and I got that done. Then I have this, I already showed you that, my motor thing, and it is held on at the alternator bolts. I used to have a smaller strap, so I had to do it like that, but it should work. I'll also put a board under the oil pan, or try to. I'll do something there. The car is on blocks. Safety tip, I put my tires under it. I did all this because I'm going to be under the car, and I do everything I can to be safe, because last year, was it 2 years ago, letting the car off the jack, car slipped and fell on top of me, and I was pretty scared. Luckily it was in the dirt and half on the concrete, and I could wiggle my elbow to kind of dig myself out and get out from under the car. It fell on top of the jack stand and didn't come all the way down. Jack stands are pretty dangerous. Be really careful. From every time I work on a car, I throw the tires under the car, I put it on jack stands, put blocks under it. I even have a block in the middle just in case something were to happen. So keep that in mind. But I'm gonna stop here. We'll go ahead and finish off. I've been setting up a swimming pool all day, and I am whooped. So we'll go ahead and finish this video probably next Saturday or Sunday. I may not have all the parts in yet, but the big parts are here. I'm just waiting on a few things. I'm not going to tell you what that is. I want you to guess down in the comments what we're doing. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. I've been building this car for a long time. This car is a one owner car. It's been in my family since it had 0 miles, so it's getting there. It's got all BMR suspension under it. Something else is changing, not going to be BMR, but guess what that is in the comments. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this video here because it's hot as heck out here, and my swimming pool's filling up and I'm ready to get in that thing. So I will see you all in the next video. I'm Dustin, this is Dustin's Customs, and I'll see you later. Bye.